The cost of commercial chicken feed is quietly draining the profitability out of small farms and backyard homesteads all across the country. Every time you step into the feed store, you are met with rising prices and shrinking profit margins, forcing you to wonder how long you can keep paying more while getting so little in return. Most chicken keepers are trapped in a corporate loop, relying on dried, preserved pellets that lose their vitality long before they hit the coop. But the smartest producers are breaking away by turning a $1 bag of raw grain into a massive pile of fresh, living green nutrition. By mastering hydroponic fodder, you can slash your feed bill by up to 30% and transform your homestead into a self-sustaining goldmine. Before we dive into the exact blueprint of this system, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss our high-yield farming strategies and micro-farm secrets designed to maximize your profits. To understand why this system works so incredibly well, you have to look at the massive flaws of commercial feed. Manufactured rations are pushed through heavy industrial processing to maximize shelf life and ease of transport, which strips away the live enzymes and fresh nutrients that chickens naturally crave. While dry pellets can fill a bird's crop and keep it alive, filling a chicken and truly nourishing it are two completely different things. Chickens are instinctive foragers meant to consume live, active plant material, which is why they attack a patch of fresh greens with 10 times more excitement than a scoop of dry feed. Chickens are instinctive foragers meant to consume live plant material, which is why they attack fresh greens with 10 times more excitement than dry feed. When you rely on corporate mills, your business is vulnerable to grain market inflation and supply chain disruptions that you cannot control. Hydroponic sprouting acts as a form of natural alchemy that unlocks the hidden potential inside ordinary feed grain. A dry, dormant seed is a tightly packed storehouse of locked energy, protected by chemical barriers that prevent animals from fully absorbing its nutrients. This means you are not just soaking grain to make it wet, you are guiding a biological transformation that upgrades a cheap, dormant commodity into a premium, living feed source that is incredibly easy for a chicken's digestive system to process. Laying hens that receive a daily ration of fresh green sprouts begin producing eggs with remarkably thicker, stronger shells and deep, rich orange yolks that fetch premium prices at local markets. This vibrant color is a direct visual indicator that the hen is successfully absorbing massive amounts of beta-carotene and vital plant-based compounds. For all birds, enzyme-rich sprouts promote optimal gut health and a robust immune system capable of handling seasonal weather stress. The financial efficiency of this system is unmatched because it completely eliminates waste on your farm. When you throw down scratch grain or dry mash, chickens scratch it into the dirt, lose it in the bedding, or leave the less desirable parts to rot, which is essentially throwing your hard-earned money straight into the mud. Hydroponic fodder grows into a massive, dense, interlocking carpet of roots, seeds, and lush green shoots that you harvest as a single solid block. When you toss this mat into the poultry run, the chickens eat absolutely everything, from the tender green tops down to the woven root system. This zero-waste efficiency means that a single handful of cheap seed expands into a massive volume of total nutrition, allowing you to stretch your feed purchases twice as far as conventional methods. The best part of this micro-farm strategy is that it requires absolutely no expensive commercial equipment, automated pumps, or high-tech grow lights to get started. All you need are a few shallow plastic trays drilled with plenty of small drainage holes to ensure excess water can escape instantly. Beginners can use a thin layer of clean, coarse sand at the bottom of the tray to retain the perfect balance of moisture while allowing the emerging root systems to breathe. The absolute key to success is sourcing raw, untreated, whole grain directly from local co-ops or feed stores, ensuring you avoid any chemically treated planting seeds or highly processed human grains that completely lack the biological power to germinate. Turning dry grain into a towering mat of vivid green fodder follows a highly predictable, repeatable 7-day cycle that takes 5 minutes a day. On the first day, you submerge your raw grain in clean water for 12 to 24 hours to trigger the awakening process. On day 2, you drain the grain thoroughly and spread it into a thin, even layer across your sprouting tray, making sure it is not piled too deeply so that oxygen can circulate freely. From days 3 through 5, you keep the trays in a warm environment between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, watering them gently a few times a day to maintain consistent moisture without ever letting the seeds drown. By days 6 and 7, the pale shoots catch indirect ambient light, kickstarting rapid photosynthesis and exploding into a lush, beautiful green carpet held together by a rock-solid root system. However, running a successful fodder system requires extreme discipline to defeat the dangerous dark side of sprouting, which is mold contamination. Mold can quickly overtake a tray and release microscopic toxins that completely devastate poultry respiratory systems, causing severe illness or death. Preventing this disaster requires strict sanitary habits, such as scrubbing your trays with a food-safe disinfectant between every single batch and using a small fan to keep fresh air constantly moving through the grow space. You must train your eye to inspect the roots daily. A healthy tray should always smell clean and earthy with bright white roots, and if you ever spot pink, black, or slimy patches, you must immediately discard the entire tray rather than risk the safety of your flock. When it comes time to feed your harvest, you must introduce the fresh fodder gradually over the course of 10 days to let the chicken's digestive tracts smoothly adjust to a high-moisture diet. Fodder is an elite supplement that replaces roughly 20% of the ration, not a total replacement for a structured feeding program. By balancing rations with homegrown sprouts, you protect your pocketbook from inflation and take absolute control over your homestead's food security. If you want to master the exact step-by-step blueprints for our high-profit farming setups, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now and join our community of self-sufficient producers.